Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, healthy, and healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine and doing great. I welcome you all in our first Zoom class. From today onwards, you know very well, we are having the virtual classes along with the recorded classes, and you have to follow the rules which I have posted on your Google Classroom. Some important rules which I want to discuss with you are you have you should have your books and copies regarding the lecture, means you should have your countdown book 5 and maths copy 2, because from today onward we will do the written work in our virtual classes. So you should have your books and copies along with you, so you will not rush for these things. Students, you should have your countdown book 5, because we will do the addition of fraction exercise 3a question number 4 BDE. Today we will do question number 4 BDE in your maths copy 2. First we will discuss how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. How we will convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction, you know very well. We will multiply the numerator and the whole denominator and the whole number. 6 multiplied by 3, 6 threes are 18. Then we will add the numerator, that is 2. When we add it, we will get 20. So 6 whole 2 by 3 is equal to 20 by 3. Now we will going to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. How we will convert? When we convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, first you should know mixed fraction is another way of writing improper fraction. So how we will write the mixed fraction into improper fraction? Improper fraction into mixed fraction, 5 by 4 converted into mixed fraction, we will divide 5 by 4. 5, 4 ones are 4, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 is quotient, 4 is divisor, 1 is remainder. So the mixed fraction is, the quotient is 1, divisor is 4, and remainder is 1. So 1 whole 1 by 1 by 4 is the mixed fraction against 5 by 4. So we can convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, now let's move to the topic. Our today's topic, addition of unlike fraction. Now we have the fraction 5 by 12 plus 1 by 20. These are unlike fraction and we have to add these unlike fraction. How we will add these unlike fraction? We cannot add these unlike fraction without making the denominator common. So we have to make the denominator common by taking the LCM of 12 and 20. The LCM of 12 and 20 by division method, 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. 3 ones are 3, 5 written will be written as it is, and 5 ones are 5 and 1 as it is. Now the prime factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. It means the common denominator is 60. So we have to convert 12 and 20 into 60 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. So we will multiply 12 by 5 as well as 5 by 5. 12 5 the 60, 5 5 the 25, 23 is a 60 and 1 3 is a 3. Now 25 plus 3 is equals to 28 by 60. Now 28 by 60 is not the simplest form of fraction, so we will convert into lowest term or into simplest form. We will divide 28 and 60 by 4. 4 7 the 28 and 4 15 the 60. Now the final answer is 7 by 15. In the next example, we have 2 by 3 plus 1 by 12. And we have to make the denominator common by taking the LCM of 3 and 12. So we will take the LCM of 3 and 12. 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. Then we will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4 and then 2 1s are 2. The prime numbers are 3, 2, 2. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 12. So the common factor is 12. So we will convert this fraction into like fraction 2 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 4, because then we will multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now 2 4s are 8, 8 by 12 and 1 by 12 are like fraction, and we can add the like fraction easily. So we will add the numerator. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 by 12. 8 plus 1 9 and denominator remains same. 9 by 12 is not the final answer because 9 and 12 come in the same table and we can divide it by the same number. So we will divide it by 3. 9 and 12 divided by 3. Then when we divide 9 by 3, we will get 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Now the final answer is 3 by 4. Okay, beta. Now let's start our classwork. Okay, open your maths copy 2 now, everyone. Open your maths copy 2, beta. And write the index first. You can see the index on your screen. You have to write the date, but the serial number is according to your copy. Because we have started the final term, so you will write the serial number according to your copy number. Okay, in copy your serial number, you will mention the serial number, then you will write the date. Chapter 3 fraction, exercise 3A, question number 4BDE. This is our today's task. We have to do 3 sums. Question number 4BDE. Okay, beta. Aban, do you want to ask any question?
No.
Beta, why are you raising the hands? Why, beta, why didn't got your maths copy too? Afra? Sorry, Barira. Beta, why are you raising the hands? Do you want to ask any question? Iraj, Hamad, Amna? Amna, you can ask the question.
Miss, what is after the Miss, we have to make the title page of fraction.
No, beta, you have made the title page before starting the topic fraction. You will not make the title page. You just write the date. Don't write the don't make the title page. Okay.
Oh, I see. I see.
Okay.
The
Now come to the work, beta. Open your copy.
Yes.
Open your copy and prepare the page. Write the date, exercise number, and question number 4B. First, we will do question number 4B. The question 4 is add the following. We have to add the unlike fractions. Okay. The question is 5 by 13 plus 7 by 26. Okay, beta? Now, let's start the work.
Miss,
you have to do these questions yourself. Start your work, then I will you will show your work.
Miss.
Yes, beta. Do you want to ask any question?
Miss, can we start the index from?
No, not from the new
Yes.
page. Vanya, beta, you have made the page fraction, heading of the fraction in your title page. Don't write the heading, but you have to.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Miss. Okay.
Okay, let's start your work. Exercise 3A, question number 4B.
Okay.
Okay, question is 5 by 30 and 7 by 26. Start your work, then you will show your work. Want to ask the question. Yes, Hamza. Do you want to ask any question? Amir Hamza, I am talking to you.
Yeah, Miss. We have to do the answer right now or after the lecture?
No, beta, you have to solve it. I have given the time to you. You have to solve it during the lecture. Then I will explain the next question. Then you will start the next question. Okay? We have to do question number 4B, D, E in this lecture. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Now start your work.
Miss, after. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Maz, have you done the question or not? Maz Farooq.
Miss,
I have done, miss.
Okay, beta, show me your work, beta. Switch on your camera and show me your work.
मिस कैमरे को क्लिक कर रहा हूँ, ऑन नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, beta.
मिस
Wait.
कैमरा ऑन नहीं हो रहा. वीडियो स्टार्ट नहीं है. वीडियो स्टार्ट नहीं है ना, हो ही नहीं रहा.
Yes, you have to make the rougher column, beta. I have mentioned in the on the page, you have to make the rougher column because you have to do the work out in rougher column. Okay. Okay, Hamza, you have done. Amir Hamza.
I started a little bit late.
Okay, raise your hand who has done. Then we will discuss the question. Hamna?
Yes, miss.
Beta, you have done. Show me your work. You have done the first step.
No, miss, I have done that. Miss, I am not done.
Beta, you have done the first step. What is the first step? You have to find the Ayan Saman. You have done. Okay, let's see how to do it. In the first step, we will find the LCM of 13 and 26 because they are unlike fraction. And when we have the unlike denominator, we have to find the LCM. Yes, have you find the LCM? Okay, beta, if you have any problem to unmute yourself, just write the message on the chat box, okay? Don't worry, just write your problem in chat box. किसको देनी परमिशन? ऐसे ऐसे Okay. Tehzeeb, show me your copy.
Yes, miss, I have done my
Tehzeeb, you can show your copy. Switch on your camera. Barira, you have done. Okay, who has done the first step? Barira, show me your copy, beta. Okay, in the next step, what we do? Yes, we have to make the denominator common. 5 multiplied by 2 and 13 multiplied by 2. Because when we multiply 13 by 2, we will get 26. Okay? You can check your work. Now 10 by 26. You have done the same? Okay, 10 by 26 plus 7 by 26. And in the next step, what we do? Can you add 10 and 7? Now, when we add 10 and 7, what we will get? 17 by 26. Done, everyone? Raise your hands if you have done. Raise your hands, beta, if you have done. Vanya, you have done? Vanya, do you want to ask any question? Done? Okay, beta. Those who have done, okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, beta. Now, yes, now we have done this question. Now let's move to the next question. Okay. Those who have done, come to the next page. And before starting the work, let's see question, add the mixed number. Okay. We have to add the mixed number now. Mixed number or the mixed fraction. Now first I will explain you, then you will start your work. Question number 4b we have done. Now we have to do question number 4d. And question number 4d is a mixed fraction. So first we will discuss, then you will do this work question. Okay. Now we have to add the mixed number with unlike denominator. 9 whole 1 by 2 plus 5 whole 3 by 4. Okay, we have to add these mixed fraction. Nine whole 1 by 2 plus 5 whole 3 by 4. And do you know very well what we do first? We have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so we will convert 9 whole 1 by 2 and 5 whole 3 by 4 into improper fraction by multiply the denominator and whole number and adding the numerator. So when we convert it into improper fraction, what happened when we convert it into improper fraction? When we convert it into improper fraction, we will get 2. Okay, beta. Now let's move back to the question. Now, when we convert 9 whole 1 by 2 and 5 whole 3 by 4, we will get 19 by 2 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23 by 4. Now, The next step, what will be the next step? We have to take the LCM of 2 and 4. And when we get the LCM of 2 and 4, we will get 4. So 4 is the common denominator. So we have to make 2 as 4 to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So we will multiply 19 by 2 and 2 by 2. Because when we multiply 2 by 2, we will get 4 and that is the common denominator. Okay? After multiplying, we will get 19 twos are 38, 38 plus 23, we will get 61 by 4. Okay? When we add the numerator, we will get 61 by 4. And because we have the improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed number by dividing 61 by 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. Okay? 21 minus 20 is equal to 1. So the mixed number is 15 whole 1 by 4. Now come to your work. Write the question, write the date. Question number 4D, 10 whole 1 by 6 plus 8 whole 5 by 36. Hamna, start your work, beta. Do this question quickly. Fiza, do you want to ask any question? Fiza?
मिस
Yes, beta.
मिस हम लोग को क्या कहते हैं वो मिक्स नंबर पे कैसे चेंज करना है?
Beta, I take a review of the mix, how to change the mixed fraction. 10, you will multiply 6 by 10 and then add the numerator. 6 multiplied by 10 and plus 1. Whole number and denominator will be multiplied to each other, then we will add the numerator. Okay? Fiza, got it? Fiza, I am talking to you.
Yes, miss.
Okay, beta. Change into improper fraction, then add them. Vanya, do you want to ask any question or you have done? Vanya, have you done? Mas, Anshara?
Miss,
Yes, beta. Hadi?
मिस जो बताया था उसको लिखना था.
Beta, you have to do this question. Question number 4D. Okay? The question is written. I have written the question on the page. You can see on your screen. Hadi, do you want to ask any question? Malahim. Yes, Malahim. Okay, class. Now copy down question number 4D on new page. 10 whole 1 by 6 plus 8 whole 5 by 36. Copy down the question and start your work. You have to do it yourself. Then I will check your work. You will show me your work and raise your hands if you have done. Okay, beta. In first step, what will be the first step? In first step, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction by multiply the denominator and the whole number. 10 6 is 60 plus 1, 61 61 by 6 plus 293 by 36. Then we will take the LCM of 6 and 36. When we take the LCM of 6 and 36, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. The common denominator will be 36. So we will make the common denominator by multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. 61 by 6. We will multiply 61 multiply by 6. Alright students, I hope you have enjoyed the today's lecture. It's our first virtual lecture. See you inshallah in the next lecture, and we will continue our work in our next lecture. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.